Mastering Overthinking. This script seems to come from a motivational video, likely centered on self-improvement and English learning, that explores the pitfalls of overthinking and offers practical ways to conquer it. It highlights how overthinking saps vitality, robs possibilities, and quietly steals happiness in a hectic, overwhelming world. The key takeaway is that overthinking arises from a need for control and flawlessness, but it can be overcome through mindfulness, action, and self-kindness. The video organizes its guidance into 15 strategies, though some overlap, e.g., perfectionism and voicing thoughts aloud appear twice, possibly for emphasis or due to transcription errors. Each strategy includes explanations, examples, and metaphors like the Harry Houdini tale to show how the mind builds imaginary obstacles. 15 strategies to end overthinking. Below is a clear list of the strategies drawn from the script, with concise explanations for each. Your mind deceives. Understand that not every thought or emotion is true. The brain spins false narratives for safety, but you can challenge them to take back control. Stop the storm early. Halt overthinking at the start by recognizing it's unhelpful and breaking the cycle before it grows, like stopping a car before it speeds up. Clear your mind. Jot down your thoughts in a journal to release them, serving as a mental cleanse that leaves you feeling lighter and more focused. What if isn't real? Stop fixating on hypothetical what if situations, as they cause pain from imagined futures. Stay grounded in reality instead of fear masked as questions. Speak it aloud. Express your overthought aloud to reveal its absurdity, moving it from emotional to rational processing and diminishing its hold. Let go of perfectionism. Give up the pursuit of flawlessness, which stalls progress. Focus on effort and completion, as finished is better than flawless. Get moving now. Engage in physical activity, e.g., walking, stretching, or jumping, to break emotional loops, as movement redirects focus and grounds you in the moment. Swap thinking for action. Fight indecision by taking one small step at a time, gaining momentum and training your brain to progress rather than freeze. Set a decision deadline. Cap decision-making time, e.g., 10 minutes, to prevent endless waffling. Clarity comes from deciding and adapting, not overanalyzing. Concentrate on what you can manage. Direct energy toward things you can control, like your actions and reactions, while releasing what you can't, like others' opinions or the future. Embrace that not everyone will approve. Accept that universal approval is impossible. Focus on being true to yourself rather than seeking everyone's acceptance. Embrace that universal approval is impossible. Free yourself by prioritizing self-acceptance over pleasing everyone. Let go of perfection. Similar to number 6, release the obsession with flawlessness, as it prevents starting. Choose imperfect action and growth over hesitation. Speak the thought out loud. Similar to number 5, expose lies by verbalizing thoughts, then question their truth and helpfulness, replacing them with kinder alternatives. Look at facts, not feelings. Base judgments on evidence rather than exaggerated emotions, which often mislead. Ask, what do I know for sure? Don't be afraid to ask for help. View seeking support as strength, not weakness. Share your struggles to lighten the load, as no one is meant to battle alone. Final thoughts. The transcript wraps up by encouraging viewers to apply these solutions for a journey of healing, growth, and better English skills. It urges sharing, subscribing, and living in truth rather than thoughts. If this resonates, it's a reminder that small steps can reclaim your life from overthinking's grip. If you'd like a deeper analysis, a shorter summary, or related resources, let me know.